All right, everybody, Matt with Signal Zero Outdoors. We got some people coming over today. We're gonna make some venison tacos and get ready for the moon launch tonight. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, here it is. 4 pounds of venison is cooking. Getting ready for some good tacos tonight. See y'all later when everybody's here eating. All right, venison's cooking. Someone smells it. He approves. Do you approve of the venison? Does it smell good? All right, the Basset Hound approves. It's looking good. Uh-oh, Boomer. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Bang! Yep. All right, so what are we seasoning with?
Garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. I'm using the wrong side of this. I need to just pour it out.
Yeah, can't have too much garlic.
Honestly, yeah. But it's okay. Now we've got onion. We buy these at Sam's because it's a really big container. And I go through it so fast. Okay, now we've got gourmet paprika.
Ooh,
Not
gourmet.
even just regular. This was the only one they had at the store though.
And this is local too.
Yep, this is from Perrines. If you're in the Volusia County area, this place is awesome. Okay, now we got some Perrines cayenne pepper. I'm gonna be a little lighter on that one because we got some people that don't like spicy coming.
And what are the measurements on this?
We like to measure with our heart in this house. We don't measure nothing. I don't know. Oh, this is cumin, sorry. From Perrines again. I don't really know how much to put of that either, but it comes out so slow, so we're just gonna
Try to buy as much local as we can
yeah.
for these small businesses.
Okay, now we got some chipotle peppers. Again, Perrines. If you're in the area and you're ever there, you'll probably see me.
They don't sponsor us or anything. We just love their products.
They're just great. Okay, and now we've got some red pepper. I don't know. It's already pretty spicy though. Maybe I'll go a little light on that one.
There you go.
We'll see what happens. We'll have to taste test it and make sure.
This is light to us.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can stir all that in.
See what this color looks like once this all gets mixed in.
You can always tell by the color. Show Boomer.
What does the sniff test think? Does the sniffer approve? All right, I think he approves.
He says he wants to try it. It smells pretty good. Might need a little water to mix all that powder in.
Yeah. It's got some good color coming to it.
Pro tip, if I don't use water, sometimes I use beef broth to mix it in.
Ooh, adds a little more flavor.
Yeah. Might be doing okay though. I think you used enough beef tallow to cook it in. Maybe.
There was quite a bit of beef tallow in the pan.
That does not surprise me with how you cook. Okay, you gonna taste it?
Oh yeah. Let's see, it's got some good color.
Does it? Let me see. Yep.
Ooh. Uh-huh. Normally we like it a little spicier, but like I said, we got people coming over that aren't too big into the spice, but that's really good.
Nice.
All right, everybody. Here is the Artemis moon launch. As you can see, it's starting to come over the trees right about now. This the first crewed launch to the moon since the 70s, so it truly is history in the making. Video doesn't do it justice, it's so bright. It's definitely something to see if you are not in the area, haven't seen the launch. Definitely worth the trip down here to witness this. I think they said this mission is going to last about 10 days. They're going to circle the moon and come back. Well, first they're going to do a couple orbits around the Earth and then go to the moon. Very, very cool thing to see.
Did you party too hard, buddy?
Well, that's a wrap on tonight. I think it was a big success. Everybody liked the food. Homemade tortillas were a hit.
Oh yeah.
Boomer had a great time. Got really loud. He was excited about the rocket launch. I think he was more excited that there was people here and sneaking some snacks. But either way, he was excited. We were all excited. History in the making. So that's a wrap, everybody. Have a good night.